Welcome to the first installment of our series, NFTs on Solana, where we will be working with the quick note guide on how to create an NFT on Solana. We will be minting our first NFT with an image and metadata using Metaplex. For this tutorial, we'll be using the quick note guide on how to mint an NFT on Solana using TypeScript with some modification. Specifically, we'll be using plain JavaScript and our own wallet address with its private key obtained from Phantom. Let's get started. Open a Visual Studio Code window in a folder of your choice and install the Solana Web3 and Metaplex library directly using the following commands. Create an index.js file and a folder called uploads. We have created a beautiful image using the quick note logo, which we'll use as the image for the NFT we'll be minting. Place this image in the uploads folder we created. In our package.json, add the following line to indicate that we'll be using module syntax. Import the necessary modules as follows and install the FS library. For this tutorial, we'll be working with the Solana DevNet. So we need to create a compatible QuickNote RPC. To do this, log into quicknote.com and in the endpoint section, select Create Endpoint. Choose Solana, select DevNet option, continue, and then copy the RPC to import it into our code as a QuickNote RPC variable. Create a new Solana network connection using our RPC as follows. Copy our private key. Remember to work on the Solana network in testnet mode for this tutorial. Select our wallet in the Phantom configuration and export the private key, which we'll paste into a secret file in our working folder. Read our secret file as follows and create a decoded version using the VS58 library, which we need to import and install. Create a constant wallet to sign functions like so. Let's build a Metaplex object by invoking the make method, which receives the Solana connection we created. We configure it to use our wallet to sign transactions through the use method. Again, using the use method, we configure our object to work with the bundle storage, which will receive the following parameters, including our QuickNote RPC. Create a config object that will contain all the necessary parameters for the minting process. These parameters are the image path, the file name, the file type, the name of the artwork, a description, NFT attributes, useful for describing specific characteristics of each NFT, especially in NFT collections. The royalty percentage, the split the NFT creator will receive with each sale. A symbol, a unique symbol for the NFT token, and an array of creators, in this case containing our wallet with 100% split share since we're the only creator. Create our main function and display the following message. Next, let's store the result of uploading our image using a function called uploadImage, which we'll create next. This function requires the image path and file name, which are available in our config object. Create the uploadImage function and read the file, storing it in a constant called imageBuffer. We'll convert this buffer to a format compatible with Metaplex using the following function, allowing us to call the upload method available on the object returned by Metaplex storage. This method will give us the resulting URL after uploading our image to Artwave. After uploading the image and having the URL, we proceed to upload the metadata by calling a function called upload metadata, which we'll create next. This function will receive the URL and all the metadata parameters in the following way. In this function, we'll create an object that contains a URI file, which will be the metadata URL to be uploaded through the upload metadata function, available on the object returned by the Metaplex NFT function. It will receive all the necessary parameters as follows. Return the metadata URL. Now, in our main function, we'll call a function called mint_nft, which we'll create next. It will receive the metadata URL, the image name, the royalty, symbol, and creator's parameters, all within our config object. Our mint function will declare a constant NFT that will receive the result of calling the create method available on the object returned by the Metaplex NFT function from our Metaplex variable. It will receive the following parameters: the metadata URL, the name, royalties, symbol, and creator list. We also add the isMutable field set to false, which will make our NFT immutable. We'll add another object as a parameter with the commitment field set to finalize it, to specify that we'll wait for the transaction to be fully complete before continuing. Finally, we'll log the result on the screen. If everything is correct, when we run the command node index.js, we'll see how the steps are executed. 1. Uploading the image, 2. Uploading metadata, and 3. Minting. Now, we can go to our Phantom wallet and check that our NFT is in our wallet. That's how easy it is to create your first NFT on Solana. In the next video, we'll be using the candy machine. Stay tuned until next time.